Hello everybody. Today we want to look at how to run a LLM on our Mac. First, go to the Ollama website, click on download, then click on download for Mac. After the download is completed, double click to install, uh, move it to your applications, and then follow the install steps. It will prompt you for the admin username and password. After it's finished installing, copy the Ollama run command, open a terminal window. In the terminal window, type Ollama and press enter. If you see a list of available commands, then you know the install was successful. Then you can paste the copied command and press enter. This will download the model to your local machine, and after it's finished downloading it, it will prompt you to send a message. At this point, you can start playing with the model on your local machine. Congratulations, you have just installed an LLM on your local machine. Have fun.